Hey guys, Miss P here. The last 3 weeks we spent simplifying radicals, and today we're actually going to do the multiplication of radicals. So, the cool thing about this is we know how to simplify, so it should be pretty easy. So for example 1, we're just going to do radical 5 times radical 15. All right, so you are going to get two radicals that you're going to multiply together. Now, when you multiply these, you keep it under the radical. So we would do 5 times 15, which is 75. So this actually becomes the square root of 75. All right, but it's not in its simplified form. So first we multiplied them together. Now we have to simplify. So this is where what you guys have been doing comes into play. Now we're going to take 75 and we're going to just prime factorization of it. I like to use 5 because it ends in 5. 75 divided by 5 gives us 15. Now again, 15 ends in 5, so I would do another 5. 15 divided by 5 gives us 3. The only thing that goes into 3 is 3. So guys, your match, what's your match? Your 2 5s, and the 3 stays in. So the answer to this would be a 5 comes out, radical 3 stays in. Done. So that's example 1. So all we're doing, multiplying our radicals, then simplifying. So let's go to example 2. Okay, example 2. Let's try radical. Okay, so let's do radical 3 times radical 6. All right, guys, what's 3 times 6? 18. So we're going to do the prime factorization of 18. All right, well, what goes into 8? It's even, so I like to use 2, which gives me 9. Only thing that goes into 9 is 3, which gives me 3. Only thing that goes into 3 is 3, which gives me 1. Since we got our 1, we're done. This is our match. This stays in, so our answer is 3, radical 2. Not bad, right? Because we already have these prior skills, this should not be, hopefully this is a week that's a little bit easier. Okay, so let's try another. Clear that. All right, so example 3. Let's see. Let's try radical 15 times radical 10. All right, well, 15 times 10 is 150. So we're going to simplify radical 150. So guys, remember prime factorization. What goes into 150? It ends in a 0. So I'd probably do 5. So 150 divided by 5 gives us 30? Yeah, 30. Which we then can do again by another 5, which gives us 6. Even, I'm going to go with 2, which gives us a 3. Only thing that goes into 3 is 3, which gives us a 1 in the bottom. So that's our match, but both of these don't have a pair, so we're going to multiply them. 2 times 3 equals 6. All right, so a 6 is going to stay under our bar, and a 5 comes out. So 5 radical 6 is our answer. Done with example 3. All right, guys, the last example, I don't know if y'all guessed it, but all we're going to do is just add some variables. Nothing crazy. All right, so let's look at example 4. Let's go with a, let's see. Yeah, we could do that. Sorry, I'm looking at examples to get you guys a good one. All right, so let's go with the square root of, I don't know, 8x squared y times, let's do the square root of, I don't know, 3x 4y, I don't know, 2. All right, guys, so we're going to multiply these. You're going to do your big numbers first. 8 times 3 is 24. Then x. Guys, remember when you multiply variables, you add the exponent. So we're going to add 2 plus 4, which is 6. So it would be x to the 6th. Then y to the, there's nothing here, so there's an invisible 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. All right, guys, so this right here is what we are now breaking down. Okay, so let's try prime factorization of 24 first. I'm going to use a 2 because it's even, which gives you 12. Another 2, which gives you 6. Another 2, which gives you 3. The only thing that's in the 3 is 3, which gives you a 1. All right, so what are our matches here? It's just these two 2's. That 2 and that 3 stay, and 2 times 3 is 6. So a 6 will stay, and a 2 will come out. But we still need to do our variables. We have 6 x's and 3 y's. And we want groups of 2. So these 2, and these 2. These 2, no match for this one. So we took out a 2, as well as 1, 2, 3 x's, so x to the 3rd. How many y's did we take? Just 1. So y. Then we're going to do our radical. What's left inside of our number? That 2 and that 3, which we multiplied to be 6. So 6 will go under there. There's no x's that are left, but there is y to the first, or just y. That's your answer. Done. So hopefully, guys, this week's not too crazy because we spent so much time on simplifying radicals that hopefully this one will be pretty, easy and not too hard. You will see some cubed roots, also, groups of 3. So don't, freak out when you see that, but you guys already know how to do that, so I'm not worried. But besides that, I hope you guys have an amazing week. Miss you, and I hope to see all y'all soon. Bye, guys.